Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of AXIOM TV. I'm your host, Jason V. Sareve, also known as Brave Mind, the King of the North. Today's topic, I like to talk about the so-called war on drugs. Lately, our president has been making some statements in regards to calling for stating that he favors that drug dealers should be executed. Now, my reaction to that, or response to that, is that I find myself surprisingly in agreement with him. Under the provision that big pharmaceutical corporation owners, their CEOs, as well as their board of directors, and also the politicians that they pay political contributions to, are executed first. If the president, in my view, if the president was serious about curtailing the domestic drug problem, he would impose tariffs on heroin imports rather than on foreign steel. After all, since we've invaded Afghanistan, the quality of heroin has drastically improved and its price has been steeply discounted. Now, I didn't graduate from Wharton Business, but I can tell it's quite ostensible that there's some unfair trade balances and cornering of the market in there somewhere. Now, I also want to make the statement that, to me, in my view, pain pills and heroin are like man-made plagues. I always found it strange that we can find Saddam Hussein in a hole in the desert, Osama bin Laden in a compound. We can drone strike terrorists with our so-called precision weapon systems. We stop dirty bomb suitcases from entering the country. We launch probes into space that can take distant selfies of the Earth. We create nanotechnology. But for some reason, we can't seem to stop heroin at its sources on this very planet, though we are well aware where those sources are. Afghanistan, for the most part. Didn't we use defoliants to kill the vegetation in Vietnam? Why can't the same thing be done at the source of the heroin and its poppy plants? I'm once again befuddled by this situation. In my, or at least from my vantage, the only war on drugs that I'm seeing is primarily on low-end drug dealers, and the consumer side of this operation. It's also peculiar that the sizable scale and viability of our police forces, our court system, and prison system in this country seem to be very much so dependent on the drugs continuing to be a problem. Wink, wink. Does anyone else find this set of circumstances odd, if not suspiciously convenient? Thank you.